Uh, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be back with some more Minecraft. Today I'm gonna be trying to find a village. Sheep. Oh, don't tell me it's nighttime already, isn't it? Oh, the sun's setting. Good thing I'm in bed. 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 It's nighttime yet? Nope. Dog. The hell is with my chat? Bed. Now you two as well. Okay. I'm unleashing you two. Killing you two for food. I know I'm gonna start a farm, but at first I wanna find a village. Die! You too! Let's go, boy. We're off to find the village. Dig job. I should actually start crafting a sword because I heard swords are better in bedrock edition. And I am in bedrock. So I should start crafting. Oh my lord. Where's my crafting table? Huh. Where's my dog? Hello? Puppers. Oh, thank goodness, I thought I lost you. Okay. Start crafting. Slow crafting. Just arrange my inventory a bit. There you go. I have a sword. I have a magic wand. Look at this. Abracadabra, you will die. Are you gonna attack the sheep? Die. Attack the sheep. Sorry if you hear something in the background. That's my air conditioning. I have a very old air conditioner. It's from my mom said it's from my grandma. Oh no, it's raining. I hate rain. I wish I have cheats on, so I could just boom. No more rain. Skeleton. Attack. Attack him, dog. Lagging. Okay, I think we should. Come on, puppy. Ha! Eat that, mobs. Bet. Puppy? Oh, there. There he is. I thought a creeper blew him up. I shall feed you. Okay. I need to eat myself. Come on, puppy. This place is kind of dangerous. Creeper. Oh, man. He's in between the crevice of a tree. Die. Yag. XP. boat so I can get out. I think to craft the boat in Bedrock Edition I need a shovel. Oh no, never mind. Come on, puppy. We're gonna go sail the seas to get drowned. I hate drowns, they're everywhere. Excuse me, kind sir. I would like for you to die. Oh, don't go after the drowned. Don't you dare go after the drowned. Come on, before other drowns come. In the boat. It's in the boat. Trying to find the village. La di di da da. Tap to open chat. Oh, thank you. Are you gonna stay there, Alex? Dead end. Guess we're gonna have to go around. I guess the other split shall do. Where's my camera sideways? Let's explore the world. And it's also dead end. Great. I'm trying to hit my dog. I'm trying to find the place to settle at. Copper. As long as that. Come on. Oh, come on. That's why. By the way, guys, I've been recently getting interested in Run Kingdom, so I also made my own guild. It's called Mr. Squishy's Guild. Mr. Squishy, or is it the Squishy Guild? I forgot. I hate forests. Wait, you can advantage them by going up the trees. What the flip is this? Big spike up the ground. Oh, anyway. I think the best advantage was up that. Oh, look, another dog. I can have 2 dogs. Oh. Yes, sir. Ouch. Hello, dog. I have a bone. I know there's a dog up here. I just saw it. Where's that dog? No, I saw that. Is she down here? No. I know you want the bone. Hello, dog. Oh, be. There he is. You're mine. Come here. It's gonna be hard taking care of two dogs, making sure both of them won't die, but it's gonna be worth it. Oh, shut up, Alec. What? I don't want to check the chat. I want dog. Come here. Damn. He's mine. I have two dogs. Okay, let's go. You might say, ooh, it's gonna be too hard training two dogs. I don't care, I want two dogs. I hate forests, there's just too much trees. Look, a normal cow. Yeah. Why didn't I sprint? Double protection. My dog just teleported. Oh. Was there a single cherry blossom tree? Single cherry blossom tree. Not even a cherry blossom forest, just a single. This seems like a good place for a house. Let's build a base, baby. Okay, let's start off our base here. Maybe we can find, I don't know. First of all, we're gonna need food. First, let's set up a crafting table. I've been meaning to turn on inventory for the longest time because I just like to keep inventory more. It's more fun when it's like that. There we go. To stay here. I don't want you to get into trouble. Where are you going? Sit, please. Yes. Instead, wait. Gotta get nighttime. Come on. Mine. Come on. The dogs are waiting. I don't want to get caught up. I'll make waffles. Sorry. First thing I thought about him. What do you mean I can't sleep? The night's settling and I don't want mobs to spawn. There we go. Oh, lolly dee, lolly da, lolly. Now, to continue trying to mount you. Come on. I don't wanna. I'm trying to mount the mule right here. He loves me. Can I help? I don't have a saddle yet. Let's teach you. Gonna make a fence. Fence. Oh. Okay, let's try to find chicken. Oh, it's been 50 minutes. I need to find some chickens. All I have is sheep. Why is chickens better? Because they're easier to breed. If I'm gonna pick a mob, it better be a mob that's easy to breed. Maybe I'm gonna go to the mines later. Oh look, it's like a little cave. I could start mining there, but not right now. Guys, remember the zombie from last episode? Zombie that almost killed me with the sword last episode. Yeah, I should have killed that zombie. It would have been useful. How much leather do I have? I don't even have a single leather. Ooh, look, cows. Die, 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 die. Get back here. Leather. I need to as well. I need food. Chickens. That's what I needed. Grass, grass, grass. Wait a minute. I have one of these. There's a second chicken. Yes. Try and get me some seeds. Seeds. Hello, chickens. Hello, other chicken. Come here. Come here. Let's go. I'm gonna start having a chicken farm soon. Look, a giant cave. Maybe I can maybe I can mine there if I'm careful enough. Come on, I see my donkey. Where's it not? I think that's my donkey. Maybe we'll get it up later. Okay. Fence. Fence. I only have 5. Number 8. Like one of these. One of these. Oh no, the chickens. Forgot I need to see that. Seeds, what are seeds? I lost the. Okay. I lost one of the chickens. That's humble beginnings, you know? Seeds. while they're breathing and get out. Ho ho. Wait, what? Donkey, what are you in there? Wait, they have to get released that I lost. Forgot which direction was it. This way. House. There it is. Here. Yes. It's the other chicken. Victory. We found the other chicken that I lost. We wandered off far. Come here now. Don't worry, don't worry. Idiot, come on. Get out. Seeds. I need seeds. Ha, come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, they're stuck. So here. Wait, what? Did I just got 3? What the hell happened here? Did I just got 3-for-1 deal? That was just one egg. And it spawned a 3-headed chicken. Okay, let's put that one egg. I'm already. This is that one egg. Like my chicken farm is already so bad. We can build a tree house. Cook some of these. Ooh. Chicken. Okay, let's go. Actually settings. How peaceful. sharpening your pens. There we go. Wait, I also have a bow. Wait, my axe is gone. My axe broke? Don't worry, people, because there's conveniently cobblestone right here. Whoa! Well, I'm stuck. I have dirt. Where's that stone for? That should be enough. I should really patch up this hole. Or should I? Start putting down my chest. For some reason, I'm using my leash. It's okay. Need this though. Start crafting. I don't have sticks. Oh no. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here today. This video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hope you guys. Why did I